Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss question number 46 of Chemistry Gate 2020. Let us go through the question. Consider that AgX crystallizes in rock salt structure. The density of AgX is 6477 kilogram per meter raised to 3 and unit cell length is 577.5 ppm. Atomic weight of Ag is 107.87 gram per mole. The atomic weight of X in gram per mole rounded off to 2 decimal places is. To answer this question, we should have a concept about density of solid. Coming to some basic concepts. If we have a unit cell of edge A, then the volume of the unit cell can be given as A raised to 3. Here, this is a representation of a unit cell with edge length A. So the volume will be A raised to 3. We know density of a unit cell is nothing other than ratio of mass and volume of a unit cell. To calculate the mass of unit cell, it is equal to the product of number of atoms in a unit cell and the mass of each atom in a unit cell. So it can be represented using a equation number of atoms in unit cell into mass of each atom, where Z is the number of atoms in the unit cell and m is the mass of each atom. Mass of an atom can be given with the help of Avogadro number and molar mass, which is equal to m by Na, where m is the molar mass and Na corresponds to the Avogadro number. And we know the volume of unit cell is equal to V equal to A cube. Now, density of unit cell is equal to mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell, which is equal to Z into m by V, which is equal to Z into m by A cube. M can be represented by molar mass by Avogadro number. So, finally, the density of unit cell becomes equal to Z into m by A cube into Na, where Z is the number of atoms in unit cell, m is the molar mass, A cube corresponds to the volume, and Na corresponds to Avogadro number. The given parameters in this question are density is equal to 6477 kilogram per meter raised to 3. Unit cell length, which is equal to 577.5 ppm. The atomic weight of silver is equal to 107.87 gram per mole. Atomic weight of X, we need to find it. And also in question it is mentioned that it is rock salt structure. From that it is evident that the number of atoms which is present is equal to 4. So we have previously derived the equation for density of unit cell, which is equal to Z into m divided by A cube into Na. From this given quantities, we know that we have to find the value for m. So substituting the value for density, Z, A cube and Avogadro number, we need to calculate the value for m. So rearranging the equation, we get 6477 into 10 raised to 3. Here we have changed the unit from kilogram per meter raised to 3 to gram per meter raised to 3, as we have to find the final answer in gram per mole. And here it is mentioned that the unit cell length in picometer, which is equal to 577.5 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter. And Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Now solving this equation, we get the value of m equal to 187.837 gram per mole. and this m corresponds to the total mass of silver as well as the mass of x. For that, we can calculate the value of mx, which is equal to value of m minus value of mag. Doing so, we get the value of mx equal to 79.967 gram per mole. The answer key given by gate is 79 to 81, and the answer what we got is 79.96 gram per mole, which comes in this range. For more details on this topic, please go back and check NPTEL videos on the topic Crystal Structures of Binary Compounds by Professor Madhav Ranganathan at IIT Kanpur. The YouTube link is also attached here. Thank you.